Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Chris Design. So today I'm going to show you how uh, you can achieve a skeleton loading animation like this in Figma. And without much ado, let's get started. So now, welcome back. So first, to be able to create the loading animation we saw earlier, this is what we need to do. First, we need to duplicate the screen we're trying to create a loading animation on, and select all its content. If you select all its content, you drag it out to just an empty frame. So you make use of a plugin called, you go to your plugin and search for the Ghost plugin. You can see it's right here, right? And if you're new to plugin, I have a tutorial on plugin which I'll attach in the description, right? Yeah, so you run the plugin, right? You choose the color gray and you choose linear gradient, and there you have it. You have your skeleton, like, or should I call it just a kind of a wireframe. So now we see some parts of it scattered, so we just do a layer adjustment. Drag this here as well and drag this here. So also this color, you don't need a red for now, so we just change it back to this. So next we want to do is to reverse the colors, right? So you duplicate, then what do you do as you duplicate? You go to the linear and the selection colors, and you turn the one that's 5% opacity to 100, and turn the one that's 100 to 5. Okay, so we give it a frame selection, and don't forget to do the same here. So next we're moving on to is component. Okay, if you're new to component, I have a video which will be available in the description. So now you select the two and create a component set. Okay, and you go to your prototype now. If you're new to prototype, I also have another video on prototype. You click your first frame, you link it to the second one, okay, with a setting of after delay 1 millisecond, and that's that. You do the same for the second frame, you link it to the first frame, setting of after delay 1 millisecond. Okay, so that's that about our first prototyping. Now we need to do our final prototyping, so we delete this. Okay, we move to our assets. Okay, we want to get this component we created. Okay, it's actually, if you see on the file here, it's actually named component 4, right? So go back to your assets and drag out component 4 and place it here. Okay, so after you're done placing, you simply do your final prototyping, dragging the skeleton screen to your main screen, setting it to after delay on about 2000 milliseconds, right? So that's that about that. Let's play it so you can see. All right, let me restart it. Yeah, so thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.